family names in English.
Hello. مرحبا. Hello. My name is Najib. اسمي نجيب. My name is Najib. I'm 10 years old. عمري 10 سنوات. I'm 10 years old. This is my family. هذه عائلتي. This is my family. This is my father. هذا أبي. This is my father. My father. أبي. My father. His name is Ahmed. اسمه أحمد. His name is Ahmed. This is my mother. هذه أمي. This is my mother. My mother. أمي. My mother. Her name is Mina. اسمها مينا. Her name is Mina. This is my brother. هذا أخي. This is my brother. My brother. أخي. My brother. His name is Ali. اسمه علي. His name is Ali. This is my sister. هذه أختي. This is my sister. My sister. أختي. My sister. Her name is Khadija. اسمها خديجة. Her name is Khadija. This is my grandmother. This is my grandmother. هذه جدتي. My grandmother. My grandmother. جدتي. Her name is Farida. Her name is Farida. اسمها فريدة. This is my grandfather. This is my grandfather. هذا جدي. My grandfather. My grandfather. جدي. His name is Jamal. His name is Jamal. اسمه جمال. This is my aunt. This is my aunt. هذه عمتي. My aunt. my aunt. عمتي. Her name is سميرة. Her name is سميرة. اسمها سميرة. We are a happy family. We are a happy family.